Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're signed into the exact Google account that purchased Premium. This matters because subscriptions tie to accounts. Next, inspect your payment method and recent charges so you know whether a declined card caused the issue. If you share a family plan, make sure the family manager hasn't removed you. Once those basics are set, attempt a quick sign out and sign in on the YouTube app to force account refresh and reevaluate your membership state. Now reproduce the problem so you know if it's device-specific. Test desktop, mobile app, and another browser. Then clear the YouTube app cache or reset browser cookies. This resolves many auth glitches because stale tokens are removed. Make sure the app and operating system are updated, and if you still see trouble, use an incognito window to rule out extensions or ad blockers interfering with premium features. If the issue disappears there, you've found the culprit. To finish, verify subscription details in the Google Payment Center and confirm no pending disputes or chargebacks exist. Use YouTube's in-app help get support to contact the team. Provide precise error codes and screenshots so they can act quickly. If you need a refund or reactivation, request it through support and follow their steps. One troubleshooting tip: if support is slow, create a clean new profile on another device and log in to reproduce the error. This accelerates diagnosis and proves it isn't just your environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.